You are our Yay of the Day recipient, and so we are honoring 100 employees, only 100, across all of Henrico County Public Schools. So I want to read you what your nominator said. So your nominator said he loves this school and its students as much as anyone that I have worked with in 20 years. The campus is consistently beautiful because of his work and dedication, which gives many people a sense of pride about working here. Once, when the lock on my classroom door was broken and I couldn't get in to recover my car keys, Kenny was already in his truck getting ready to head home. He got out and made sure I could get in and recover my things before he would leave. He is so humble and he never seeks recognition for it. Kenny, thank you for all you do to make a difference here at this campus and across the school division. We're so proud to have you on the HCPS team, and yay!
Thank you. Appreciate it. Thanks, David.